We are just, 7 individuals trying to help out a small community in Florida.
Edmond Electric crews just left for Florida moments ago to help with power restoration after Hurricane Ian hits later today in Florida. Edmond Electric sending 7 people to the town of Mount Dora near Orlando. They will then be deployed across Florida depending on where the damage is greatest.
And another crew from Oklahoma should be arriving in Florida today, helping out a number of communities. 17 Grand River Dam Authority workers left for Tallahassee yesterday. They know there's going to be a lot of power outages, and crews tell us they plan to stay and help out as long as needed.